So today I'm going to be showing you my sewing machine. This is a single heavy duty machine. It is super fast, metal and plastic somewhere, and then also very effective and very efficient if you're a beginner in sewing. So today I'm going to be showing you the exact review of this machine. I've been using it for a while now, and I can say honestly I'm going to be showing you some of the reviews and things that I enjoy about this machine. So first of all, let me show you that you can take out this part of the machine. It is actually detachable. You can take it out completely. That's if you want to sew jean, so that you'll be able to put the jean, like put it through. How do I explain that? Like you want to sew the trouser of the leg of a trouser or a pant, like you can easily just put it like this and and sew without obstruction, right? So let me just quickly put this back in. Then for the bobbin, you can remove the bobbin by pulling this up. So mine is already threaded. It's already, like, the bobbin is already in. Let me show you closely. So I'm just going to explain to you guys the general information about the machine. So I'm going to be showing you two main dials on this machine. So this is for the length of your stitches. That's the up dial, is for the length of the stitches from 0 to 1. 0 to 4, 1 is a really short tight stitch, while 4 is like the longer stitch. If you want to do gathers, you can use the length for 4 so that you can easily put thread through to achieve your gathers. It's the stitch dials. It shows you different kind of stitches, starting from the straight stitch down to the buttonhole stitch. So it doesn't have too many, but it's very perfect for everyday function. This machine already has bobbin here. I already put in bobbin and it's already threaded, as you can see. But I'm going to make a separate video on how to thread this machine and how to put the bobbin. So for the top, okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. We have some more dials here. This is another dial. This is for the width of the stitch. So it starts flat stitch, then very deep width stitch, right? Then this is for the needle position. So these are the needle position. You can choose the left needle position, the right needle position, or the center needle position using this dial. So if you move it, your needle will move. That's if you move it like this, as you can see, your needle will move. So if you want the tension, it has to do with the tightness of your stitches. Who is that? Okay, easy, so that you don't fall this. What happened? Okay, just put on for the other bathroom. Close it down for me. So if you want tightness, depending on the type of fabric you're using, this is what you're going to be using. So the fabric will determine how tight you want your stitches to be using these tensions dial. So these are what you're going to be using to thread, right? So this is for the bobbin. When you put in your bobbin here, and then you put your thread here. So this helps to roll in your bobbin, right? Then another thing, see, this machine has marks. So another thing is that I'm going to be showing you now is the threader. So as you can see, this machine has marks, arrows that will help you to thread your machine properly and also to roll up your bobbin. So I already threaded my machine here. Like I said, in another video I'll be showing you guys exactly how to thread your machine, okay? But there are arrows here that will direct you exactly what to do. As you can see, it starts from here. When you put, or let's just run through it. Let's just run through it. Once you put your thread in like this, you use the cover to close it up. When it's rolling, it doesn't come up. So after doing this, the next thing, as you can see, there's a number 1 here. This is a lot better. As you can see, number 1 here. Let's just take it out and do it. So there's a number 1 here. You carry your bobbin and pass through number 1. So after number 1, you go through number 2. There's a number 2 here as well. This is number 2. So you pass through number 2 like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is you can see the arrow for number 3. So you just go down number 3 like this. And then you come number 4. There's a number 4 here as well. So you go like this, come back up. Then you can see this is number 5, and the arrow goes like this, from like this to like this. So you're going to go like this and then bring it like this. Did you see what I did? Follow through the arrow like this, then like this, and like this. Then you bring it back down. This is another arrow for number 6. You bring it down here, then you go like this and pass it through like this. You bring it down like this, and that's it. Then you find a way to put it on your needle. It's on your needle now, and then your bobbin. As easy as that. This bobbin is called the drop-in bobbin, so it's very easy to remove. This is called the drop-in bobbin. Once you press this bobbin, this is how it comes up, and then you open it up. Then you just remove it. You remove it. It's not hard to do. You put it back in, and you hear kes, then you use it to pass here and then you cover it back. The bobbin already has how you can pass the thread. Once you put it in, you pass the thread like this and then bring it out. Everything is already made easy with designs for you. Also know that this machine has a class 15 bobbin, which is very easy to find and it's also very cheap. As you can see, it's very easy to find and very cheap. And when you buy the machine, it comes with it. Like they come with some packages like that has like I think 2 bobbins. It has this seam ripper that comes with it and some other accessories like that comes with this machine. I would bring out those accessories for you to see. So on this side of the machine, we have the thread cutter, which helps to just, when you sew, you can just easily swipe your thread through and it helps to cut it because there's a tiny little razor there. Like I said, you can slide this off if you're making sleeve or trouser hole. You can remove this off so that you can easily put your trouser or your sleeve through and then you sew easily. So it has different kind of accessories that can work with it as well. A lot of accessories that you can use, you just figure them out. So the machine also comes with this button here where you can bring down the teeth of your machine. Once you slide it like this, once you slide it down like this, you can see all the teeth are gone. And you do it like this, it comes up back. So the reason why your teeth should go down is when you are trying to do other things on this machine, the teeth helps to move your fabric. So by the time the teeth are down and you're doing other functions on this machine, your fabric, it's not moving. Let me also mention that this machine is heavy duty and it is very sturdy. You can place it on a table and just plug in your footer and match your machine. You begin to sew, so you don't have anything to worry about. It is very easy to clean. I personally love this machine. I also have the industrial machine, but most of the time I use this one and it comes with a lot of accessories. I'm going to be showing you guys the accessories very soon. Okay, I have some accessories here, but although these accessories did not come with this, I just collapsed the accessories from this machine into this organizer because this helps me keep my things organized. Okay, see, some of the accessories that came with these machines are here. Like I said, I just put them here in my organizer to help me. And also see, it came with this footer that came with it as well. But everything is here. So all of these accessories came with this machine, okay? So I just put them here and then I'm going to explain my organizer later. So if you have any question about this machine, please leave it in the comment section. If there's something I haven't talked about on this machine that you really want to know, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to explain to you. These are all the things that I remember. If you're a beginner and you do not know how to start, just put a comment in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to respond. If there's nothing else to talk about, I'll see you guys in my next video.